Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When traders are looking to start with a Forex broker, or they are moving from one to the other, there are some key considerations before choosing one, and the spread is one of these considerations. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price, and it is indicated in pips. Even though pips are the smallest measurement with which a price can move, either up or down, it can make the difference between a profit and a loss, no matter how great or small. Spreads are typically applied in Forex trading, rather than a fixed rate or a commission. The spread is how the Forex broker makes their profit, and traders are subjected to either fixed, floating or variable spreads. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, Rtrader, ProCent and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more. With fixed spread accounts available on Fixed Cent, Fixed Standard, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an online fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic and VIP accounts, with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Tickmill. Coming in at number 3, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CYSEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 2 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.